Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you're having a nice day so far. And what I'm going to talk about in this video is how you guys can use original audio in your Instagram Reels. Now, what do I mean by original audio? I mean somebody else's audio that they have on their reel, which you can then use again for your own reels and your own purposes. Since you can use your own original audio several times as well. However, original audio is basically just the audio that comes with your reels that you upload to Instagram, and there's no special way of making it. Whichever reel you upload, the audio that comes with it is a original audio. So yeah, let's get right to it. To use somebody else's original audio, the process is pretty much the same for using original audio and actually already existing songs on Instagram. So let's get right into it. First, what we want to do, of course, is to enter the reels, and we want to find a reel that we want to use the audio of. This video is a perfect example. So to actually use its audio, what you want to do, at the bottom of your screen you see the username of whosever audio it is and the original audio tag. And to actually use it, just click on it, and you'll be taken to this screen. You can preview the audio here by clicking the play button, or you can just use the audio, and once you click on use audio, you will be taken to your reel creation screen where your audio will be replaced by that audio. You can do the same with actually already existing audio, as you can see with the song Friendships. Click on use audio, you'll be taken to here, and the reel you make with this and post it will have that audio. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.